Hey there, future global scholars. Welcome back to the Student Helpline, your go to channel for all things international education. I'm Ananya, and today we are diving into a topic that's exciting, life changing, and maybe a little daunting. Why study abroad? Whether you're dreaming of studying in the UK, exploring Australia's campuses, or soaking up culture in Canada, we've got you covered with the benefits, challenges, and top programs for 2026. So grab a notebook, maybe a coffee, and let's get started. Studying abroad isn't just about getting a degree. It's about transforming your life. According to a 2023 report by the Institute of International Education, over 1 million students studied abroad globally, and that number is only growing. So, why are so many students packing up their bag? Let's talk about the benefits first. First up, let's talk about why studying abroad is such a game changer. Here are the study abroad benefits that make it worth the leap. First up, we have world class education. When you study abroad, you're often learning at some of the best universities in the world. Think Oxford, Harvard, or the University of Melbourne. These schools offer cutting edge programs, top notch faculty, and resources you might not find at home. For example, did you know that 62% of employers value international education when hiring? According to a 2024 US Global Employer Survey, that's a huge boost for your resume. The second up, we have cultural immersion. Imagine celebrating Diwali in India, Thanksgiving in the US, or joining a cherry blossom festival in Japan. Studying abroad lets you live and breathe new culture. You'll learn new languages, try new foods, and make lifelong friends from around the globe. I remember my friend who studied in Spain and came back fluent in Spanish and salsa dancing. The third, we have personal growth. Moving to a new country pushes you out of your comfort zone. You learn independence, problem solving, and adaptability. A 2022 study by the Erasmus Impact Study found that 92% of students who studied abroad reported improved confidence and communication skills. That's huge for your personal and professional life. The fourth is career opportunities. Studying abroad can open doors to global job markets. Many programs include internships or networking opportunities with international companies. For instance, students in Germany's TU Munich often land internships with giants like BMW or Siemens. Plus, employers love candidates with global perspectives. The fifth is scholarships and funding. Worried about cost? Many countries offer generous scholarships for international students. For example, Australia's Destination Australia Scholarship provides up to 15,000 Australian dollars per year, and the UK's Chevening Scholarship covers full tuition fees for master's program. I've already covered a video on scholarships and I've attached it in the description, so stay tuned. Let's be real. Studying abroad can come with its share of hurdles, but don't worry, we'll also share the tips to tackle them. First, is cultural shock. Moving to a new country can feel overwhelming. Different customs, food, or even weather can take some getting used to. For example, my friend Priya struggled with cold winters in Canada after growing up in India. Her tip: join student clubs to feel connected and make friends. The second is financial challenges. Tuition, accommodation, and living costs can add up. For instance, studying in the US can cost $30,000 to $50,000 per year according to a 2024 College Board report. A good news: budgeting, part-time jobs, and scholarships can make it manageable. Check out our video on part-time jobs for more tips. Link is in the description. The third is visa and paperwork. Navigating visa applications can feel like a maze. Each country has its own rules, and missing a document can delay your plan. Our advice: start early and use resources like the Student Helpline website for step-by-step visa guide. The fourth is homesickness. Being far from your family and friends can be tough. A 2023 study by Study Abroad Association found that 67 of students experience homesickness at some point. Video calls, care packages, and building a support network can help you feel at home. Have you ever faced challenges like these while traveling or moving? Share your story in the comments, and we'd love to hear how you overcome them. Now that we've tackled the challenges, let's get to the exciting part: the top study programs for 2026. If you're planning to study abroad in 26, we've got you some amazing options. Here are the 3 top study programs for 2026 that are trending right now. The first is Erasmus Plus program Europe. This EU-funded program lets you study in 33 European countries from Spain to Sweden, perfect for undergraduates and postgraduates, with scholarships covering tuition, travel, and living costs. In 2024, over 4 lakh students participated, and in 2026, applications are already open. Check out Erasmusplus.org for details. The second is University of Toronto International Scholar Program. Canada's top-ranked university offers this program for high-achieving students. It includes scholarships up to $10,000 and access to world-class programs in AI, engineering, and health science. Plus, Toronto's vibrant multicultural vibe is a bonus. The third and the last is Australia Award Scholarships. This fully funded scholarship is a game changer for students from developing countries. It covers tuition, travel, and even health insurance. Programs in sustainability, public health, and tech at universities like ANU and UNSW are top picks for 2026. Which of these programs sound like your dream opportunity? Let us know in the comments and we'll share more details in the future videos. And that's a wrap on why studying abroad could be the adventure of a lifetime. From world-class education and cultural immersion to overcoming challenges and exploring top programs for 2026, you're now ready to take the next step. Studying abroad isn't just about a degree, it's about building global future. And if you're inspired, head to the Student Helpline website for free resources, visa guides, and scholarship tips. Link is in the description. And don't forget to check out our other videos on choosing the right country or acing your application. Before you go, tell us in the comments, what's your biggest reason for wanting to apply abroad? Also hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe to the Student Helpline and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching, future scholars. We'll see you in the next one. Study smart, dream big, and go global.